And
it happens to all of us.
welcome back to What Are We Doing? The Franklin family. We're driving across Dallas and heading northeast to our next RV resort in Anna, Texas. We're reserved to stay at the Sugar Hill RV Resort for 2 weeks. We arrived on a beautiful, sunny day in January. We need to set up quickly because a snowstorm is coming. The heavy snowstorm arrived in the morning and it snowed for hours. This is the first snow we have experienced while living in our RV full-time. We took the proper precautions to protect our home so pipes do not burst and cause problems. Inside, we stayed warm with heaters and electric blankets. We were excited about the snowstorm actually, and looking forward to being able to play in the snow. Being from the Southwest desert, we haven't had many snow days.
I'm a great shot. Look at me, smile. Smile. That's not a smile. What you doing?
Snuggling my RV. You know why it's leaking?
Why?
The cover is not here.
Oh no.
It's non-existent.
You're serious?
Yep, so I'll put the bag on it. Nice.
Okay.
It'll get us through this, but then I'll get it. Okay.
Yeah. Aim the other way. There you go. It is. Please don't slip and fall.
Ah, that was my goal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no. It's breaking the broom. And
It happens to all of us.
why can't you shovel with a broom again?
I don't remember the last time I've made
Yep. I think when you were like 3, doing it in your Elsa PJs.
good enough.
It's amazing.
Tiger had never seen snow before. He was cautious at first, but soon was off exploring again. It was cute to see his little kitty paws make prints in the snow. I think he will be glad to see the snow melt, though, and be glad it's not part of everyday life now. Scarlett and I had ventured out to do some shopping. On the way home, the sky was so colorful and made a gorgeous sunset. It looked very tranquil along the snow-covered meadows. Then I had to leave Michael and Scarlett behind as I had work training to attend in Chicago, Illinois for a few days. It looked like the snowstorm had covered all of the states between Texas to Illinois. As we prepared to land, we flew over Lake Michigan, where there were chunks of ice floating close to the shoreline. I had an amazing hotel room on the 26th floor with a great view overlooking the Navy Pier. I have never been to Chicago before, so I was excited to experience it. However, the temperatures in January was around 12 degrees as the high. I wore so many layers of clothing to stay warm. The little bit of the big city I did get to experience looked intriguing. To walk amongst the skyscrapers is quite fascinating, as it is starkly different than the landscape of my RV community. Thankfully, I safely returned home, and all the snow had melted since my departure. I took Fred for a short walk along the trails of the back of the RV park to enjoy some sunshine again. So, what are we doing next? Stay tuned to see us on our next adventure as we head to Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Thanks for watching. We'll be sharing our adventures here on What Are We Doing? The Franklin Family. See you next time.